Feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm gonna show you normally the most sought after eye makeup, that is the smoldering, soft, smudgy, smoky eye makeup. So today I'll show you how to get this look without using any tools or any brushes, with just your fingertip. So let's get started. So I'll start by applying a thick line on my upper lash line using this Kajal. Just take care that you do not leave any gap near the lash line. The intensity should be the maximum near the upper lash line. Now using the tip of the finger, I'll slowly smudge the kajal on my upper lash line, but to take care that you do not lose the intensity near the lashes. Now while smudging, take care that you should not go above your crease line, otherwise your eyes will look like those panda eyes. So just stay below the crease and just smudge very lightly. Just take care that the intensity is maximum near the upper lash line. Done with the smudging, again take the Kohl pencil and just go very close to the upper lash line just to increase the intensity a bit. Now I have got a smudger with this Kohl pencil. You can again use your finger just to blend that very nicely, very softly again. But do not go near the lash line. Now I'll repeat the same thing with this Kohl pencil, the lower lash line. Now with the fingertip, I'll smudge it very lightly with very light pressure. Take care to use your fingertip and not the pad of your finger, and try to use a different finger while smudging the lower lash line, or you can keep a wet tissue handy to clean your fingertip and then start smudging your lower lash line. Now after I'm done with this, I'll tightline my eyes using the same Kohl pencil. Now I'm gonna fill in my low waterline, and I'm going to use this plum Kajal, the plum Kohl pencil. You can use any Kohl pencil, whatever you have, or the Kohl pencil which you have used to smoke out your eyes. So I'm using this plum Kohl pencil and I'll fill in my waterline. Now I'll just take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. Then take any mascara of your choice and apply loads of mascara on both your upper as well as your lower lashes. So can you see the difference? So easily you can achieve this glam eye look, a soft, smudgy, smoky eye. So quickly I'll finish this eye and I'll be back. So that was all for today. So you have seen how easily we could achieve this soft, glam, smudgy, smoky eye makeup without using any brushes or any tools, with just the tip of our finger. So it just needs a little bit of practice, otherwise you'll tend to mess up with your finger, and once you get it, you are sorted. And yeah, today the lipstick which I'm wearing is this MAC Meher. This is from their matte collection. So that's it. I hope you have liked this video, and if you did so, then please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon in my next. Till then, all of you stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.